Hello guys! Today we will discuss semantic in HTML. Do we need it or we can avoid it? Is it really important for beginners? And it's really important for better optimization of your app. In my opinion, you need to use it. And now we will discuss it. Semantic, it's better approach of front-end development because with Semantic you can improve accessibility. Semantic HTML helps assistive technologies like screen readers understand the structure and meaning of the content, make it more accessible to users with different disabilities. Yes, it's the first point, it's accessibility. The second one is better SEO. It means that search engines give higher importance to content that is semantically structured, as it makes it easier for them to understand the context and relevance of web pages. And also it's cleaner code. It promotes cleaner, more readable code that makes it easier for developers and designers to understand and maintain their websites. And also semantic HTML is better interpreted by various devices and platforms, ensuring a more consistent experience across different environments. It also supports internationalization by better structuring language-based content. Okay, it was theory part, and now we will start with practice. And the first semantic tag is header. And when you develop your website, you need include it. Header is a top part of your website, and that it's really important. In header, you can create your menu, and also in header we can use another semantic element. It's called now. We need to use this now element for different menu items. The second one, semantic tag, it's main. In main, you need to create your content. For example, you can create node divs with different blocks. It's better to use semantic element called section. For example, if you have about us section or FAQs or another one, you can include it in different section. And one of more important tags in semantic HTML is footer. In footer you can also use now semantic elements. It's a few most used semantic tags in HTML. Also we have a few other. For example, if you have some article in your page, you can use article tag for it. Yes, you can say that you can create your website only with div elements, but with semantic it will be better in a few different approaches, as I mentioned in the beginning. And besides article, you can also use some tags like aside. Yes, aside indicates content aside from the page content, like a sidebar. For example, you can see in different websites, different sidebars on the left, on the right. For it, you need to use aside. Also, in HTML, we have a few more semantic tags, such as details, fig caption, figure. Yes, but in general, you need to remember this one. It's the most important. With this tags, your website will be better and you will be better developer. And this question is always asked in the interview. For example, tell me please what is semantic in HTML. You need to mention in this topic this few tags, and also you need to say about accessibility and SEO approach. Thank you for watching this short video. I guess it will be helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you guys.